Welcome to
Warrior,
Mobile Legends!
welcome to the practical tutorial. In this tutorial, the battlefield is divided into 3 lanes. Choose a lane according to your hero's goal. Remember, destroy the enemy base, and we win the match. Tap here to learn Malefic. Tap here to buy equipment directly. Choose a lane you want to take.
All troops deployed!
You will get gold by eliminating enemy heroes and minions or destroying enemy turrets. Objective: destroy the enemy outer turret.
First blood! An enemy has been slain!
Now destroy the enemy inner turret.
Your team destroyed the turret!
Well done! Press on. We have to destroy the enemy base turret.
Your team destroyed the turret! You have slain an enemy! An enemy has been slain!
You have destroyed all the turrets in the lane. Victory is in sight. We shall take down the enemy base in one fell swoop.
Wiped out!